Now to launch your online course, you can sign up to Learnyst by going to learnyst.com/signup. You'll get a free account, and here you can actually go to your admin dashboard, and from your admin dashboard you can go to the courses section under contents, and here you can click on create and start creating your first course. Now, one of the key USPs in Learnyst is that the contents that you upload on Learnyst can't be downloaded or screen recorded by any outsider. So Learnyst gives you the top-notch security for your contents. So you can do that by simply clicking on the make it encrypted checkbox and then click on create. So this way your contents will be encrypted and secure. And post that you will go into the lesson builder, and here you can add lessons in the form of videos, audios, PDFs, slides, live classes, articles, and Scrum and Tin Can content. So after uploading your lessons in your Learnyst platform, you can go to the settings of this course, and within branding you can add your course short description, long description, course image, course price, and finally after doing all that you can click on the publish status and publish your course. So this will automatically create your course sales page, which looks something like this, and this is a page that your students will see once they come to your website. So as you can see, all this will be in your brand, and Learnyst brand won't be known to the students. So this way you get your own branded website, which is not just your own brand, but it's also secure. So this is a key highlight in Learnyst. So one of the common questions that educators ask is how to set the price of your course. Once you are launching the course, what is the price that you need to set? So one guideline that I can give you is that if for your first course, I would suggest that you keep it low. So generally, if it's for a first course, somewhere around 500 to 2000 would be a very sweet spot. So this is neither too pricey or too low. So you can keep and test your market. Also, you can while doing your market research, you can research what competitors in this particular segment are pricing, and you can choose to keep either a low or almost same price, since this is your first course and you want students to actually come to your website. So that would be one suggestion regarding the course price. So here are the resources for this section. So you will get some, so one of the key things that you may want is the course descriptions. So in general, you make sure that you are enabling your within the branding section, you make sure that you are enabling course reviews and you add a detailed course description about your course. So for your help, I have attached a resource on some few ways some templates that you can copy and paste to create your course description. But anyway, use the templates to make your own course descriptions. Second, you can download course images. So course images need to be attractive. So for this purpose, I have attached a list of stock images that you can use for your online course. That is number 2. So third, I'm going to give you a list of sites that will help you to find catchy images and are totally copyright free. So you can check those sites out to get more beautiful images for your online course. And lastly, you can use a free tool called Canva to actually edit these images, add text, and make attractive course image. So that's it for this section. See you in the next lesson.